Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial presented by the SCHRBB. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert tables and pack table of content and how to use packages in LaTeX. So now let's see how to insert the table of content in our LaTeX programming. Now the first thing to put in mind is that in order for you to insert the table of content, you first need a sections and subsection. You need section and subsections. So table of contents are placed by the LaTeX compiler into the file you are writing because you are placing your sentences in a chronological order, or you have document in a chronological order. So now you have sections, subsections, and you have subsections which are being created, and all these are going to enter in your particular table of content. So now we are going to have an initially done code where you are going to paste, and we are going to have certain content in it. Now let's see how to create. So this is initially done as we did in the initial tutorial. We had sections, subsections, and all the rest. So we are going to create now the table of content where we have this particular order already in our document. So we are going to continue here by inserting the table into our code. So you know that the table is always inserted at the beginning of our document. So we are going to insert it here. So in order to insert, we are going to use the command just here and write table of content. It's just so. This is table of content. So table of content, when you write this command, it's going to take all the sections, subsections we have written here and place in this location, as we are going to see later when we are going to compile it. So this is the table of content. Now the next thing again to put in our mind is the packages. So let's first compile and run and see what is going to happen. So we have compiled, and then we come here, we run, we come to this, and we have content. The content here is going to have our name, is going to have my name is the SHRDB. We have the first name and we have that. So this is the content, but let's arrange it. So in order to do it perfectly, we need to place a new page here because table of content are usually on their page alone. So we're going to place here new page and place this on another page here. So we compile. So we have this. So this is our table of content. We have content, we have name 1.1 the first name, 1.2 second name, 1.3 referring name of tutor. So these are exactly all which are found here. So these are what are going to be found in our content. So here is our table of content here. So now the next thing to visualize again in this is how to change the numbering system of our pages. We can decide to change the numbering system of our pages. If you want to write your pages, you want to make sure that your pages are numbered by Arabic numbers, or they are numbered in Roman numerals. You have a certain command that you are using. The next thing again is to know how to change the document, the text document into Roman numerals. If you want to change into a font style of Time New Romans, or if you want to change into a Calibri, or if you want to change in sans serif, you're going to see in the next tutorial after you're going to see the typesetting format. But here we're going to know how to number a page. So now let's say I want to number my page. You know that automatically when you come here, you visualize that when you open, you visualize that the page are numbered with our Arabic numerals as such. Now if I want to change the page numbering into Roman numeral, I need to place the word page numbering, the second point here. So we have page numbering, we have let's say I write Romans. So when I write Roman, it's going to change the page numbering now into Roman numerals. So let's compile and we run. We have this. It writes now into Roman numeral II and II3. These are the three main Roman numerals which you have. It's changed in Roman numerals. Now the next thing that we are going to visualize in this tutorial are packages. Now what are packages? We need to know that in a program, you know that this program is, so packages are classes which contain some certain format or some certain a way of writing commands. So now let's see. So classes are going to contain some certain formats, are going to contain commands, the way of writing commands inside it. You need to know that the commands here are directly known by the LaTeX compiler. So there are certain classes which have a way of writing things. So let's say you want to change the color of my name into red. So I'm going to use the package called with a class called color. So in order for me to change my name into red, I need to use another package, because this package is not directly integrated into LaTeX compiler. So the LaTeX compiler needs to use a package which is out of it. So and that package is a class which has a format for giving the color to my name. So let's see, we're going to, in order to use code packages, we use the format use package. You put here and let's say color. So color is a package we are going to use. So now in order to call the color, let's say you have this, we are going to have color here. When you have color, let's say I want to change the color of this package. Before it, I need to place the command word here, the command /. So I need to place, in order to write the red color, I need to place color, and I have two as such. And in the first braces, I'm going to write the name of the color I wish it to change. So this will be the red. I write red. So now in this second braces, is going to be the parameter I wish to change the color to. So this is going to be my name. I cut here, I come here and I paste. So I have this, I compile and then I run. So when I run, I have this red color. So now, but the problem is that it affected all through my code. Now in order to prevent that, this is because the color is going through all the sections. In order to prevent that it affect my code, I'll come and place braces here, and I'll also place braces here. So when I do that, I compile and I run. I come here and I see what happens. So you have braces, and here is my name. Only my name is written in red. This is written in bold form, as we initially said. Here you have text bold form is written in bold. So these are all the colors which are being written here. So in this tutorial, we have seen generally how to insert a table of content in our document, and how to use the packages color. So thanks for your kind attention.